Hi beauties, so I am Alexis and I'm a licensed esthetician since 2021, and today I'm going to test out a hard wax that you're definitely going to want to get your hands on and use on your clients like ASAP. So Sexy Smooth Wax sent me a few pounds of their Purple Seduction Hard Wax, and my underarms are finally growing out so I can go ahead and try it. So I'm going to go ahead and cleanse the area like normal. Just using a pre-cleanse, and you can see I do have some pretty grown out underarm hair. And let me move my trash can over here. Now that I'm prepped and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and start again. This underarm right here. So there you can kind of now see it. This wax has a low melting point, and it's a beautiful purple color. See, it literally hardens up so fast, which we love, especially when you're like waxing speed. So since my hair kind of grows up and over, I'm gonna go ahead and do the over first and then the up last. And waxing your underarms is always literally so challenging. It's literally already basically hardened. I probably should have done my left arm, but as you can tell, it definitely picked up those roots. And since I'm applying upwards, we know to go ahead and pull it down when you remove. And then just make sure you're creating that lift for the removal up here. Makes that process so easy. So let's try. It's just such a pretty wax, so fun. And there we have it, smooth underarm. Okay. So I'm gonna do these ones down a little differently. And again, creating a lip. This is up here, I don't waste any wax, so might as well. And a fun trick is always use the shiny side to go ahead and remove. You can, you don't have to. I'll go ahead and do it just to show. Super easy removal. We love that. Look at those roots. And these ones kind of far up there, so. Literally amazing, and I have no underarm hair left on me. I think I'm just gonna do my little stash next. There we go, super smooth underarms. You can always finish off with the oil or some aloe. I like jojoba oil. And I am ready. Just make sure to not wear deodorant for a little bit so you don't have any irritation. But yeah, I very much recommend this wax. It is so good.